wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. But I'm not that happy today because we came all the way to the west side, left Miami yesterday right after going on the jet skis because something we had planned on Sunday got canceled. So now we decided to be Sunday here at the west coast. And look at this, the weather this time didn't much even let me go on the water before I caught. Look at this, it's already turning dark fast. And we already got the hopper in the water, got the jet skis halfway in the water because I decided to stop because it got dark really fast. But what can you do, right? That's but oh look, there's some thundering too. I guess that's Mother Nature for you. You plan something and she'll change it for you right away. But it's all good though. Instead of having lunch in the island, what I was planning to do, Ogita's doing lunch in the house. I don't know what she's doing though. I guess she's making something up because I was gonna do hamburgers and sausages. But I guess everything changed because look at the beautiful weather. And no, I'm not gonna fight Mother Nature this time and get myself soaking wet out in the water. So we decided to stay. I guess it's gonna be a Sunday at home. All right, so let's go check out and see what Ogita's doing because we can't be outside because pretty soon we're gonna get wet. So let's go see what she's doing. Let's go see what she's doing. See what she's doing. What she doing. Let's see. And look, she was ready to go too, right? You were ready to go in the water?
Yo?
No, the girl behind you. She was ready to go.
I was ready.
She was ready, but now she's making.
The weather is not cooperating.
She's making something for lunch. So I guess it's a food cooking show. I guess mushrooms. What is this?
The cooking show, but not with the same cook that doesn't like to cook.
Oh, we're having a cooking show with the cook that doesn't like to cook.
It's always, that always gets stuck.
Wait. But I like what the cook is wearing though.
Yeah, it's a sexy cook.
It's a sexy cook. And what is that? What are you making?
Esto es a ground beef.
Ground beef. Okay. Monster cheese, mushroom, and whatever the big thing. What is this big old thing? Called?
Stuffed shells.
Pasta shells?
Like large pasta shells to.
Oh, okay.
To stuff them.
Well, you know what? I guess island or home. I guess we're gonna have some food time. But I know food tastes better out in the water, but I guess you can't fight weather.
I was actually looking forward to your barbecue.
You're a what?
I was looking forward to your barbecue because I wasn't gonna have to cook.
Oh, you didn't want to cook?
I stopped cooking.
Now you start cooking?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The burger sounded really good because I wasn't the one cooking.
Yeah, I was gonna make some beef burgers and turkey burgers, and sausages. But I guess se jodió. Everything got screwed up because it's Mother Nature. So I guess we're gonna linger here at the house. What are you adding on there?
Salsa ragu.
Salsa ragu. This reminds me, you used to do your fitness videos and you used to show people your cooking techniques. And what is that?
A little bit of the Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce? Alright. So we're gonna call this the bikini cooking show. And no, she normally doesn't cook like that. It's just we were gonna go on the boat. And the weather kind of messes up. Feeling frustrated, but what can you do, right? Nothing but eat. Right? Feeling frustrated, just eat. I guess from a boating show, it turned to a cooking show. And staying at home show. Because of the weather. One more time. You got me. You got me. You got me to stay home. So good though. Tomorrow we'll be on the water. Alright, so here we go. So she's doing, look like a little, what are you doing now?
It was supposed to be like a little basket, but I don't know why they don't form.
What happened to the basket? You broke the basket. I guess you stuff it.
Yeah.
And she broke the basket.
Okay, I had to put a little piece of cheese on top.
A little piece of cheese on top?
Okay, these I didn't make them today, that's why. Last time they were more open.
Oh, okay. I guess they shrunk. Oh, they're falling apart.
No, it'll be okay. It's a little messy.
Yeah, I see it's a little messy. And then you put them there. And then what you do with this? You stick it in the oven?
I put cheese on top.
Oh, cheese on top, and then you put it in the oven. Oh, okay.
And now when it's done, I put the sauce. You see, they were in the refrigerator, that's why they're so hard.
Oh, they were in the refrigerator? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because these already made it from before. They're supposed to be like right when you make them.
Oh, we don't need that. We don't need that. What do you call it? Robotic self-cleaning bag. We got 2 of them right there. One right there, one right there. They do the job.
And 5 more in the way. 6 more in the way.
Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, Cookie had her puppies. And guess what color they are? Guess what color they are? I don't know what's going on. They're all black again. I don't know. I guess one of them, I don't know if it's Yuli or Cookie. One of their genes is very strong. And they're coming up all the same colors. Usually, I figured there would be, you know, beige, white, black. But no, they're all black again. I don't know. Something happening.
No, there's one that's brown.
Well, one is dark brown, but the rest are dark. I don't know, it's weird. I thought they were gonna come out white this time. Well, not white, but whatever, spotted, because she's white and, I don't know what she is. She's white and light brown, and then Yuli's light brown. So Cookie, I don't know what you're doing here. Okay, what you doing now, girl?
Yeah, just putting a little bit of cheese on top.
Putting some monster cheese, because we don't have shredded cheese.
Mm-hmm. These are different.
So that's beef or pork?
This is beef.
Oh, beef? I thought it was pork.
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. So it's beef. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Look at Cookie. You want some too? Cookie.
You can smell the good stuff, right, Cookie?
Okay, so what you got in there? Let's show what you got in there, girl. Oh, you got the mushrooms in there already. And
I put that just
you just put that now. Okay, so you're actually cooking them up and stuffing them up, and here we go with the show.
Normally, when you have a cooking show, the assistant to the chef.
That's me. I'm the assistant. Oh, the assistant's supposed to clean the dishes?
These mushrooms are ready.
Also mushroom sauce. Mm.
And this is gonna go
And then you put that on the top.
Like, I don't know, until the cheese gets dark. And that's gonna go on top.
That's gonna go on top with a little sauce. Mmm. Taste something. Ouch, it's hot. Mmm, very good. I like it. I like the taste. Mmm, interesting. Mmm, looking good. Oh yeah. I like it this. I like it this one. I like the brown ones. That was good. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I guess if you can't be in the water, might as well eat, right? I guess we're gonna eat. All right, here we go with the cooking show.
This one doesn't have no queso. No Fresco ones, so.
So you gonna put that sauce up in there, girl?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, let me do it. Let me taste it. Mmm, hot.
Claro, mijo, you're not gonna be able to bite into that until like a few minutes because it's super hot.
I like it.
Corre, Javiera, vengo.
What's your opinion on your mama cooking?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. You gotta say it's the best, boy. What about you?
I just never had this before.
Do you like it this? Yeah, I never had it either. It tastes really good. I can burn my tongue. So yeah, there it goes. So this is what you do. You can't go on the boat because it's raining. You eat and eat and eat. Well guys, like you already know, I love being in the water, but days like this that I can't and we have to stay home, I don't think of another better way than to have food with the family. But you know what? Tomorrow we got lucky because we have both. We were out in the water and we had food, but not the one you buy, but the one you catch. There you go, that West Coast catch right there. Look at that. You got some snapper. Yep, so we got some fresh fish on the West Coast. So make sure to tune in tomorrow and check out the video.